If you've got a sprinkler head doing this, then you've got a problem. Fortunately, it's a quick, simple, and inexpensive fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this and other types of problems with your sprinkler heads. Let's get started. Okay, before we go out into the yard to actually fix one, let me show you what we're dealing with. This part's going to be in the ground. This is going to be screwed onto it, and this is basically going to be at ground level here. And you can have various problems. You can have the nozzle broken. You can have a problem with the body. If it's just the nozzle, then all you need to do is reach in here, pull the nozzle up. You can unscrew it, and you can replace it. Now there's all kinds of nozzles, different spray patterns, different spray distances. You want to make sure you're replacing the bad nozzle with a nozzle of the same type. Sometimes the nozzle may be completely gone and you may have a geyser shooting up. If this is what you see, just reach in here with a pair of needle nose pliers, pull that out, get your replacement nozzle, and screw it right on. Now, if the body itself is the problem, then you want to dig around the body, and it's better if the soil is a little bit wet so you don't have dirt just falling into this. So dig around it, unscrew this, make sure this is cleaned out. You can run just a bit of water to flush out any dirt that's gotten in there. Put your new one back here, screw it in, replace your dirt, put your grass on top, and you're done. Now, again, you might need to take your nozzle off your bad body and replace it or screw it into the new body. And that's all there is to it. Okay, now let's go out into the yard and replace one. If you can tell that you've just got a missing or a broken nozzle, then you don't even need to dig. You can just use your needle nose pliers, pull that thing up, and replace your nozzle. But if you're not sure what's going on, then take a shovel and dig a patch of dirt around that sprinkler head. And if you'll dig that patch of grass up and pull it up in one piece, then you can place it back down when you're done, and it'll look almost as if you've never dug it up in the first place. So we'll start simply by trying to replace the nozzle. So we're going to pull this thing out. We'll put a new nozzle on here and see what happens. Clean that surface off a little bit. And again, we're going to replace it with the same type of nozzle that should be there. And you can see that it's not going down real well. The spring mechanism in the body's not real good. So we're going to go ahead and replace the body here. So again, just unscrew that entire body. And it's going to be a simple matter to just screw the new body back on. You can see that that sprinkler head is way below ground level, so we're going to pack some dirt up underneath it to raise the level even with the ground. And we'll just fill it in, put that patch of grass back. Last thing you need to do is pull the little gray plug out of the top of the body and put a new nozzle in. And this repair is finished. That's all there is to it. This is really a simple thing to do. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I really appreciate you watching. Have a great day.